Ang iniisip mo na masama ang pera, baka yun mismo ang dahilan. Kaya ka naghihirap. Money isn't good or bad. Pero depende kung paano mo siya ginagamit. Baka hindi kulang ang pera mo. Baka kulang ka lang sa tamang mindset. Alam niyo ba, marami sa atin ang lumaki sa paniniwala, money is the root of all evil. Or money can't buy happiness daw. Pero isipin mo to. What if money was never the enemy? What if it's just energy? Neutral, flowing, and ready to be directed towards what matters. And once you stop judging money and sinimulan mong intindihin ito, everything shifts. Now, let's break it down. Success tip number 1 ko para sa'yo. Neutralize your beliefs. Observe your thoughts every time money comes up. At kung naririnig mo sa sarili mo, baka maubos na, baka hindi ko deserve. O, masama naman maging mayaman eh. Pause ka muna and i-reframe mo. Ang sabihin mo sa sarili mo, money is a resource to solve problems. When you remove the emotion and see it as energy, mas madali siyang dadaloy papunta sa'yo. And success tip number 2, see money as a tool for good. Alam mo, money doesn't change people. It just amplifies who they are. Kung dati ka ng mabuting tao, pera will only just expand your impact. Use it to grow, help, and create. When your goals are aligned with your values, ang abundance becomes totally effortless. And success tip number 3, why not create an abundance mindset? Start with gratitude. I-appreciate mo lahat ng meron ka na. Then visualize your next level, not out of greed but with purpose. Because the more you believe in enoughness, the more you attract opportunities that matches that kind of energy. And success tip number 4, move with action plus intention. Budget ka with purpose. Invest with clarity and spend with awareness. Ang pagkakamali mo kasi, hindi mo kasi tinatrato ang pera na energy. When you direct it with your intention, it comes back with momentum. Abundance starts with awareness and it grows with action. So start today. Reframe your thoughts, align your energy, and let money flow through you, not around you. This is John Calug, Philippines #1 success coach. Always say yes to success. And follow now for more success tips like this.